Yo, Stevie! Oh, come on, bro.
Huh?
Grandma breakdancing on her elbows again.
What?
Come on, man. The bitch only got 32 minutes. Nigga, you got your Eartha dang whoopel dirty?
What? Bro, who the fuck am I at?
Nigga, you in bikini bottom, fool?
Huh?
You coming with us or not? Where are we going? Bro, I just told you we finna go airbending with AIM. Huh? Look here, bitch. You hear me?
Bro, do it look like I know how to Airbnb? Nigga, I'm asleep. Get the fuck out of my room, bro. I'm not going.
What? The fuck we look like airbending? Nigga, I said there's hillbillies downstairs tickling their nipples for grandma.
What? Bro, tell them to stop.
Bro, tell who to stop?
Aren't there hillbillies downstairs tickling their nipples for grandma?
What are you talking about?
Fuck.
Come on, get up. Man, where the fuck is we going? I just told you, bro. We finna go rub castor oil on the neighbor's booty cheek. Huh?
Bro,
Hey, hold on. I'm finna come. Hold on.